Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Orphan Landscapes blog. So, I made over my cat room. I had done it before when I first moved into this place, but I had to revamp it, and since my cat Dottie passed a few weeks ago, I really needed to redo it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like back there. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, sustainable design, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. So I'm going to turn this camera around, and here we go. Alright, so this is what the cat room currently looks like. I was going to redo this cat room beginning of the year, but since my cat Dottie passed away, I needed some time to heal and just grieve. So the wall color that I'm painting this room with is actually basically this. And then I've got new shelves that I'll show you once it's all done. Keeping the litter boxes because they're fine. I don't know if this shelf is going to stay. I haven't officially decided. But I'm going to prep first. My upstairs neighbor is going to help me, so there's parts of it I might not show you because he might not be kosher being in front of the camera. Alright, so I got all my supplies at Lowe's to redo the cat room. This is the wood I got, which has to be still cut down, which my upstairs neighbor is generously going to help me with because he has a saw and I don't. It's kind of whitewashed-ish. The paint that I got is called ginkgo tree, which is the same accent green wall color that I have. Bought a plant for the cat room and whatnot. Yeah, I'm excited this is going to come together. Alright, this is the progress so far. I did, for safety reasons, screw in these shelves. So if you'll notice, let me show you a better spot here. So like I screwed them into like this because I wanted to make it super secure for my cat Mylo. He's going to be the only person, person's not the right word, the only animal going up here. So, you know, the idea is, per his previous behavior, that he'll go from here, jump to there, jump to there, jump to there, which is why the shelves has it's like an L-shaped. Now the only thing I need to get is a curtain. However, I was gonna get one today and then it occurred to me, wait, today is Easter. So this took kind of 3 days to do, and in a sense, because it was a slow, working on it slowly. But I love it. It's gonna be so cool. And I haven't figured out the curtain that I want to put. So there are two options for the curtain. Get a new curtain, or let me take this curtain, which is right now for my closet, and move this over there because the color palette of this works. But I'm going to go to Bed Bath & Beyond tomorrow afternoon and see what I find. Okay, so the cat room makeover is complete. There's Mylo. So this is what it looks like. And I am running the washer if you can hear it. I bought this shower curtain at World Market and I actually really loved it. I didn't find any actual curtains that I liked, and I went to a couple of different stores. And I like it because hopefully Mylo will do it so I can show you. There you go. So basically the bottom of it doesn't touch the bottom, so he can just easily crawl right through. So that works out perfectly. And I just liked the design of it and it matched with the decor, so I'm going to turn it. We'll see here. So this is the current state of the cat room. It's completely done. Yes, Mylo. Hi. So on this side, I have some cleaning stuff, vacuum, the 2 litter boxes, cat food, and this. The litter is by Cat. I love it. My favorite brand of litter. A painting here. Mylo's to-do list. So as I said a little earlier, I hope I said that a little earlier, this is the fabric that I stapled to a piece of canvas that inspired the fabrics that I used here to make the cushions with. And then, you know, there's some plants, there's a water dish, and some stuff here. Hi, Mylo. Now, the cyst on Mylo's head is an epic debate. It doesn't bother him. He doesn't scratch at it, touch it, or whatever. No, don't bite, Mylo. And the problem with it is because he's 17 and has kidney disease, I don't know 100%, if I want to have it removed, because there's a 50% chance or greater that he might not survive being under anesthesia. So at the moment, I've just decided to leave it.